Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Tuesday, October 29th of 2024, and it is 6:56 in the morning. And today we have a nice 64 degrees. It's pretty nice outside. So, welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. We are drawing a deer with antlers, so we've got a buck. We are using How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge, and there'll be a link to that in the description for you. It's a pretty nice little book. It was fairly inexpensive. I've got my coffee today. No tea, just coffee. And we are drawing the buck. So I was a little anxious about this one because I don't know why. It just seemed like a hard subject to me. I probably overthink everything too much when I'm drawing. I am still not getting my pressure very hard when I'm for sure of the line. Like right here, I'm drawing really light. And I zoomed in on the drawing a little more for you. But it's kind of cool if you scroll back and forth real fast. You can see it come to life a lot quicker. It's kind of cool. But yeah, if I'd known I could even do a tenth of this drawing earlier in my life, I would have started a lot earlier than 55. The animals and all the other pictures I was drawing, when I have the outline, they don't look really good at all. I'm like, oh, this is gonna suck. But then once I start filling in the shadows and the fur and the eyes, I think I like getting the eyes done. It helps a lot. But once I get the shadows in and the fur, then it just pops to life. Not all of a sudden, obviously, but it does come to life and add some ground to it. But no, I'm glad I started, and I'm pleased with my progression, and will continue to keep progressing, and keep following me. Comment in the below and let me know what you think. And again, I encourage you to start something, no matter what it is, for a hobby. Maybe you don't want to get up at 5 a.m., but it's been fun. Here you go. Thanks for joining.